You are a YouTube creator, you spend hours making a great video, but you're not getting any views because your thumbnail is bad. The thumbnail is actually the most important part of a YouTube video to get clicks, but it's also very tedious and difficult to make. You need to learn design and psychology, or you have to pay someone expensive money to do it for you. Now, AI already made this process 10 times easier. I have a full playlist here in the top right corner where I review different AI thumbnail generators, which are extremely good, but it still takes time and effort to make them. But maybe you are a busy person and you don't want to worry about this stuff. You just want to make videos and not bother making thumbnails, but still get a lot of clicks. This is now possible with the new tool I'm gonna show you today. It uses AI to generate a thumbnail from a YouTube link. All you have to do is paste the link, wait 1 minute, it's virtually zero effort, and the results are actually mind-blowingly good. I replaced a lot of my handmade thumbnails with these AI generated ones because they are just better. And the coolest thing is you can create multiple thumbnails at once and use YouTube's A/B testing feature to find the one that performs the best. And I'm gonna show you how to do it at the end of this video. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. We can find this new tool on thumbnailcreator.com. I will put a link into the video description, and they have a 7-day free trial, so you can try this out and generate a couple of thumbnails without any risk, without paying anything. Again, the link is in the video description. So go ahead and create your account here. And after logging in, we see the dashboard with a bunch of different tools. We will ignore most of them. I actually have a full tutorial on thumbnailcreator.com, which again I will put into the top right corner of this video. You can check this out afterwards. But in this video, we want to focus on the URL to thumbnail feature. If you want to show your face on these generated thumbnails, the first step we have to do is train our face. Now this takes a few minutes, but we only have to do this once, and then the AI can use our face and automatically create different facial expressions and put them on these thumbnails. To train your face, click on New Face up here, give it a name and a trigger word, and then you have to upload 10 to 20 images of your face. Again, you only have to do this once. So take your smartphone, create some well-lit photos with different facial expressions and different angles, upload them here, and then click on Create Face, and the AI will learn how your face looks. When this is finished, this will show active, and you can use your face in your AI-generated thumbnails. Now we could use AI to generate a thumbnail from scratch, from a description. This is a lot of fun, and again I show this in my other tutorial, you can check this out afterwards. But in this video, we don't want to spend any effort at all. We just want to paste the link to our existing YouTube video and generate thumbnails automatically, which we can here with this URL to thumbnail feature. So I simply go to my YouTube channel, and some of these thumbnails you see here are actually created using this feature without any further edits. And then we copy the link to one of our videos for which we want to generate thumbnails. Back on Thumbnail Creator, we paste the video link into this box, click on Generate Thumbnails, and this will analyze the whole video, come up with a viral thumbnail concept, and then generate the thumbnail with best practices in mind, all automatically. As far as I know, not even Pixels, which is one of the best AI thumbnail generators, has this feature yet. So this is brand new, and you want to use this now to get ahead of everyone else. I want to add my face to this thumbnail, so I select the trained face here, click on Continue. Then we select how many thumbnails we want to generate. Let's keep this at 3. We can add additional instructions if we have any preferences, but this is not necessary. And we can give the AI a style to follow, because here under styles, you can train the AI on your thumbnail style by uploading an example. But I want to ignore this here because I want to give the AI full freedom without having to follow a specific style. So I actually don't change anything in this step and just click on Generate Thumbnails, and the rest happens automatically. Now you might think, this guy only gets a few hundred views per video at most. What the hell does he know about making thumbnails? But I actually have another YouTube channel, which is a bit older, where I get tens or even hundreds of thousands of views per video. So I know how to grow a YouTube channel. This one is just new, and you're one of the first to see this video. And here are our first 3 results. Look how good they are. All 3 of them are amazing. I'm really blown away by this. Again, if you want to try this out yourself, the link is in the video description. We could use all 3 of them as they are without changing a thing. But if you want to change something, you can do this as well. You can click on this edit button here to get to the AI editor. Let's change something. This text up here should actually say Headshot Photo and not Headshot Pro. So let's tell the AI, replace Headshot Pro on the right with Headshot Photo. Apply edit. We also have a bunch of other editing tools like these one-click styles or auto optimize, which we will try out in a moment. But again, I have a full tutorial on thumbnail creator on my channel where I go through all of these features. But look at that. It replaced the text up here for Headshot Photo and it didn't change anything else. And the quality is so good. Let's try another video that's maybe a bit more difficult. Here I have a review of this AI PowerPoint generator, and it's difficult to find a good thumbnail concept for that. Let's try this out as well. I paste the link here, click on generate thumbnails, select my face. Let's create 3 thumbnails, and we literally don't have to do anything else, only click create and it all happens automatically. Again, the results are amazing. I like this one here the most because it shows this YouTube logo, because this presentation generator can turn YouTube videos into PowerPoint presentations. So this is a very smart concept. And also I think my bird growth in this image looks better than in real life. This thumbnail has a typo, but I showed you how you can use AI to fix this very easily. The only gripe I have with this tool is that it sometimes gets logos wrong. Now it will get popular logos like the YouTube logo or Notion or Google right, because the AI knows how these logos look. But Magic Slides, for example, is a small tool that's not as popular, so it just invents a logo. You can see this logo here and here under this new tag. The AI basically just made up a logo that doesn't exist. But we can fix this as well, and I'm gonna show you how. The first step is to download the thumbnail onto your computer. Save it. Then we go to Utilities and search for Object Inserter. We open this tool. We upload the thumbnail that we just downloaded. In the next step, we upload the logo that we want to insert. This is the correct logo for this tool. And then we just tell the AI, replace the logo in the top left with the logo in the attached image. Maybe let's also update the color scheme with the logo's brand colors. This is a bit of a difficult task. Let's see if this works. And again, the AI nailed it. It put the correct logo in the top left and then updated the color scheme. Now I look a bit tired here. We could fix this with AI, but I think the result is amazing. Let's try one more before I show you how to run an A/B test on YouTube. Let's use this video down here, which is a review of voice type in AI voice dictation tool. Again, not the easiest concept to make a thumbnail for, but let's see what the AI comes up with. Again, I want to use my face. Let's add some instructions this time. Make me wear a headset. Let's keep it simple and generate 3 thumbnails. Again, mind-blowing results. And these concepts are very clever because in this video I compare voice type to Windows' inbuilt voice dictation, and this is a really cool concept to reflect that. Also in the video I show how to use this voice dictation for coding, and it used this as the concept for this thumbnail. Now as you can see, every once in a while it puts the wrong face on the thumbnail. When this happens, don't panic. Again, we can easily fix this using AI. In the editor, we have this face swap feature. Here we simply select one of my uploaded faces, or we upload a new file here and apply the face swap. Tada, now it's the correct face. We can also try out this auto optimize feature, which can sometimes make the thumbnail a bit better by applying every thumbnail best practice to the image, but the URL to thumbnail feature should already apply all the best practices, so this is probably not necessary. And this is the improved version. What do you think? Is it better than this one? Let me know in the comments below. It's a cool idea to replace the background for the Windows XP wallpaper, but I think this one was already pretty good. In the dashboard you can find all your created and edited thumbnails in this overview. You can also organize them into folders and of course download them and then use them on YouTube. Let's run an A/B test for these thumbnails because they are really good. So we go to YouTube Studio and edit the video we want to use the thumbnails for. Then either down here in this drop down or up here we can click on A/B testing and decide if we want to A/B test only titles, only thumbnails, or both titles and thumbnails. I only want to upload different thumbnails here. This is the one this video currently uses, and we can add additional ones. So I uploaded 2 of the AI generated thumbnails we just made. Click on that test, save, and now YouTube will show all 3 thumbnails to different people. This runs for 14 days in total, and then we will know which one performed the best, and we can use this one for our video. It's very easy but also effective to increase the total views your channel gets. As you saw, it's an amazing tool. Again, I will put a link to it into the video description. They have a 7-day free trial, so you can try this out, generate a bunch of thumbnails without paying anything, without any risk. If you created something cool, put a link to your video into the comments below. I want to check out your thumbnails. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews in the future. And check out my full tutorial on Thumbnail Creator here, where I show how to use all these other cool features and create amazing thumbnails using AI. Then I hope I see you in the next video. Take care.